Hello, we are looking at paper M10 for year 5. Number 19, Arnav thought of a number. He multiplied by 3 and then subtracted 20. The result was half of the number he first thought of. So we assume the number as x. So x multiplied by 3 is 3x. And then subtracting 20, so 3x minus 20 is equal to half of x, because the number is x. Now we multiply both sides of the equation by the denominator 2. So 2 times left hand side equal to 2 times right hand side. Now expanding the left hand side, we have 2 times 3, that is 6x, minus 2 times 20, that is 40, equal to 2 times half, 1x. Now adding 40 on both sides of the equation, 6x plus 40 minus 40 is 0. 6x equals to x plus 40. Again subtracting x on both sides of the equation, 6x minus x is 5x equal to 40. Dividing 5 on both sides, 5 divided by 5, 1x equals to 40 divided by 5. So 8 is our answer. Question number 18, the owner of a farm charged 80 pence for admission of each adult and 45 pence for each child. So m equal to the amount of money in pence. For A adults, it will be A times 80 pence, that is 80 A pence, plus for C children it will be C times 45 pence, so 45 C pence. So the total is m equal to 80 A plus 45 C. What will be the total received if there are 10 adults and 5 children? So m equal to 80 times A, that is 10, plus 45 times C, which is 5. So we have 800 plus 5 times 45, which is 225, and we get the total cost by adding, which is 1025 pence. Dividing by 100, we have 10 pounds and 25 pence, or 10.25 pounds. Question number 17, a gas company charges each customer 1250 pence and then 60 pence for each unit of gas. So the total cost C for U units of gas will be 1250 pence plus for U units of gas, U times 60 pence, which is the cost of each unit. So C equal to 1250 plus 60 U is our answer. In part 2, a customer uses 120 units of gas. So U equal to 120, the total cost is 1250 plus 60 times U, which is 120. So 1250 plus 7200 pence, adding them, we get 8450 pence. Dividing by 100, we have 84 pounds and 50 pence, which is our answer. Question number 16, a swimming pool is 3p meters deep, 10p meters wide and 20p meters long. So the volume of the water will be length times width times height, which is 3p times 10p times 20p. Now multiplying the numbers, we get 600, and p times p times p, we have a power of 3. So 600 p cube meter cube. Number 15, in a competition, Alex scored n-9 points, Neil scored n points, Chris scored n plus 8. Together it is 65 points. Score of Alex plus score of Neil plus score of Chris equal to 65. We get our equation. Now expanding the brackets, n-9 plus n plus 8 equal to 65. Adding the like terms, n plus n plus n is 3n, minus 9 plus 8. We will add 9 on both sides of the equation and subtract 8 from both sides of the equation to remove 9 and 8 from the left hand side. So we have 3n equal to 66. Now dividing 3 on both sides of the equation, 3 divided by 3, 1n equal to 22. So which means Alex scored n minus 9, so 22 minus 9, which means 13 points. Neil scored n points, that is 22 points, and Chris scored n plus 8, which is 22 plus 8, that is 30 points. In question number 14, in a class of 25, B were boys. So girls is total minus B, 25 minus B. Now, if 3 girls were absent on one day, from 25 minus B girls, we subtract 3. 25 minus 3 is 22 minus B. So, 22 minus B is the answer. Number 13, sum of two consecutive even integers is 26. When we are taking even integers, their difference is 2. So, we are taking x and x plus 2 as the numbers. Adding them, we get 26. X plus x is 2x plus 2 equal to 26. Subtracting 2 from both sides of the equation, 2x equals to 24. Dividing by 2 on both sides, 2 by 2, 1x equals to 24 by 2, 12. Which means that the other number is 12 plus 2, 14. Number 11, there are 24 questions. Each question is worth 3 marks. A child gets S questions wrong. How much marks did the child get? So, if he gets S questions wrong, the number of marks which went wrong is S times 3 marks for each. That is 3S marks. Now, total marks is equal to 24 questions times 3 marks each, which is 72 marks. So, the child got 72 minus the wrong marks. So, 72 minus 3S. Question number 10. It costs P pounds to buy 7 chocolates. Find the expression to buy 10 chocolates. So, if it costs P pounds for buying 7 chocolates, 1 chocolate will cost 1/7 of P pounds, that is P divided by 7 or P over 7 pounds for 1 chocolate. So 10 chocolates will cost 10 times of this cost. So P by 7 times 10. Our expression is P times 10, so 10P by 7 pounds. Question number 9, a rectangle has length L. The width is twice its length, which means that the width is 2 times L, that is 2L. Perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus width. In place of width, we will substitute 2L, which is the width. Now, L plus 2L is equal to 3L, so 2 times 3L. 2 times 3 is equal to 6, so answer is 6 times L or 6L. Question number 8, part 1. X, Y and Z values are given. So, Z square means Z times Z or 1 times 1 plus 2 times value of X 3 by 4 times value of Y, that is 2. Now, 2 and 4 can be reduced. 2 divided by 2 is 4 and again 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, 1 times 1 is 1 plus 3 times 1 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Part 2, K, T and V are given. So, TV means 4 times minus 1 minus K is minus 3 times T is 4 minus K is minus 3 times V is minus 1. So, 4 times minus 1, positive negative becomes negative 4. Negative negative becomes positive 3 times 4, 12 and minus negative becomes positive 3. Negative 4 and negative 3 we will calculate together. So, positive 12 and negative 4, negative 3 becomes negative 7. 12 minus 7 is 5, our answer. Question number 7, part 1. 4 apples equals to 8. What is the value of apple? Divided by 4 on both sides. 4 by 4, 1 apple equal to 8 by 4, 2. So, apple equal to 2. Part 2. We multiply both sides of the equation by 14. So, in the left hand side, 14 divided by 14 is 1W, which is equal to 2 times 14, which is 28. So, 28 is our answer. Part 3, we will expand the left hand side first. So, 3 times 4, 12x minus 3 times 10, 30 equal to 66. Adding 30 on both sides of the equation, left hand side becomes only 12x equal to 66 plus 30, 96. Dividing by 12 on both sides of the equation, 12 divided by 12 is 1x, which is equal to 96 by 12, 8. 8 is our answer. In the fourth part, we will first subtract the number from both sides of the equation, minus 8. So, 11p is equal to 63 minus 8, which is 55. Then dividing by 11 on both sides of the equation, 11 by 11, which is 1p, equal to 55 by 11, which is 5. So P equal to 5. That is our answer. 7 part 5. First we will add 7 on both sides of the equation. Left hand side becomes 2x equals to right hand side 5 plus 7 12. Dividing by 2 on both sides. 2 by 2 1x equals to 6. So 6 is our answer. Part 6 we will divide by minus 4 or negative 4 on both sides. Now we know that negative negative becomes positive. So positive n equal to negative and positive becomes negative. So 12 by 4 negative 3. Part 7, we will expand the left hand side of the equation. 3 times n, 3n minus 3 times 7, 21 equal to 0. Adding 21 on both sides, left hand side is 3n equal to right hand side is 21. Dividing by 3 on both sides, 3 by 3, 1n equal to 21 by 3, 7. So n equal to 7 is our answer. In part 7, we will subtract 4 on both sides of the equation. 4 minus 4 will become 0. So left hand side is minus 3s equal to right hand side 1 minus 4, that is negative 3. Now again we are dividing by negative 3 on both sides. Negative negative becomes positive. So 1s equals to negative negative becomes positive. 3 by 3 1. So s equals to 1. That is our answer. In part 9, we will multiply by the denominator 5 on both sides of the equation. So 5 times k by 5 plus 2 equal to 5 times 3k. Now we expand the left hand side. 5 times k by 5 plus 5 times 2, that is 10, equal to 5 times 3, that is 15k. So first term is 5 divided by 5, 1k plus 10 equal to 15k. Now we subtract 10 from both sides of the equation. So left hand side becomes only k equal to 15k minus 10. Now subtracting 15k from both sides of the equation, so that we have k only on the left hand side. We have 1 minus 15, that is minus 14k equal to minus 10 only. Now dividing by minus 14 on both sides of the equation, so that we get 1k. So negative negative becomes positive. 14 by 14, 1k equal to negative negative becomes positive 10 upon 14. Reducing by 2, we get 5 upon 7. So that is our answer. In part 10, we will look at the denominators 2 and 6 and find the LCM of 2 and 6, which is 6. Multiplying all the terms of the equation with 6. 6 times v minus 1 by 2 plus 6 times v plus 1 by 6 equal to 6 times 1. Now numerator denominator we will reduce. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 3 times v minus 1 plus 6 divided by 6 is 1. So 1 times v plus 1 equal to 6 times 1, that is 6. Now expanding 3 times v minus 1, 3 times v minus 3 times 1 plus v plus 1 equal to 6, which means adding the like terms 3v plus v, 4v plus 1 minus 3 gives us minus 2 equal to 6. Now adding 2 on both sides of the equation. On the left hand side we have only 4v equal to right hand side 8. Dividing by 4 on both sides, 4 by 4 1v equal to 2. So answer is 2. In question number 5, a by b plus c by d equal to ad plus bc by bd. So in part A, in place of a we have 3, in place of b we have 4, in place of c we have 2, and in place of d we have 5. Writing the as the right hand side, ad, so that is 3 times 5 plus bc, that is 4 times 2, by bd, that is 4 times 5, that is 15 plus 8 by 20, that is 23 upon 20, or 1 whole number 3 upon 20. For part 1, when we are dividing the same variable with different powers, we subtract the powers, we get c to the power 7. In the second part, 5 divided by 15, we will divide the number by the number. We will get 1 upon 3, or 3 in the denominator. So our final answer is a to the power 3 j to the power 4 by 3. In question number 3, part 1, p times r is pr, 2 times 3 is 6 and p times p is p square times q, 6p square q. Part 3, 3 times 4 is 12. Now v square is not multiplying with anything, so we put it, and w cube times w to the power 1, so we will add up the powers, w to the power 4. Part 4, whole square means 4b times 4b, 4 times 4 is 16, b times b is b square, so 16b square. Now when we have a common power, each variable will have separately the same power, j squared to the power 9 and k to the power 9. Power over a power gets multiplied, so 2 to the power 9 is 18 and k to the power 9, so this is our answer. 2 apples times 2 apples, 2 times 2 is 4, and apples times apples is apple square, so 4 apples square is our answer. Thank you.